Good afternoon, and a warm welcome back to the Refreshing Point. I will be sharing with you hair rinses that are suitable for normal, dry, and oily hair. Apple cider vinegar is a great natural product for your hair. It has nutrients that promote strong and healthy hair. It boosts shine and body for better looking hair. Apple cider vinegar can help your scalp health by unclogging the hair follicles and decreasing flakes from dry skin or dandruff. Apple cider vinegar is also a natural hair detangler. To make the apple cider vinegar rinse, just place the dried herbs in a jar and pour enough apple cider vinegar to cover them. Let it sit for at least 2 weeks, shaking it every day. At the end of the 2 weeks, strain out the herbs and keep the apple cider vinegar mixture. Next, dilute the mixture with water. Use 8 ounces of distilled water and 1 tablespoon of mixture for dry hair, 2 tablespoons of the mixture for normal hair, and 3 tablespoons for oily hair. Use calendula, basil, chamomile, and parsley, dried herbs for normal hair. Calendula is soothing to sensitive scalps, is rich in plant minerals that protect the hair from free radicals and the scalp from bacterial growth. A calendula hair rinse conditions, adds shine, and can be used to create warm highlights. Basil stimulates hair follicles, increases scalp circulation, and promotes hair growth. The magnesium in basil helps protect hair from breakage, and its anti-inflammatory properties help soothe the roots. Basil adds luster to dull hair. It is also useful for dandruff and general hair care. Chamomile is used to soothe the scalp and condition hair. It adds highlights to light hair and a sheen to dark hair, and it conditions and softens. Chamomile makes a fantastic hair rinse for blondes, strengthens scalp tissues, and promotes healthy hair growth by correcting issues with scalp inflammation. Parsley moisturizes, gives luster, stimulates growth, soothes scalp inflammation, and helps with dandruff. Parsley is high in essential vitamins and antioxidants, which are essential for protecting the hair and scalp from free radicals. It also enriches color and gives a nice luster to hair. Use sage, burdock root, and comfrey dried herbs for dry hair. Sage is rich in antioxidant, astringent, and antibacterial qualities. It is a soothing hair tonic and a natural treatment for scalp dryness. Sage adds shine and depth to dark hair and helps darken graying hair. Sage will remove residual shampoo and conditioner that has built up on your hair to leave it shiny and soft. Burdock root helps to increase blood circulation to the scalp, which in turn improves blood flow to the hair follicles on the scalp. It contains high content of fatty acids that are necessary in the promotion of new hair growth. These fatty acids will actually reverse the thinning of the hair. Comfrey soothes and stimulates the scalp and enriches lifeless hair. Comfrey made from root and leaves, poured over hair as a rinse, makes hair soft as silk. Use thyme, lemon balm, and lavender dried herbs for oily hair. Thyme has antiseptic and antifungal properties that cleanse, heal, and soothe the scalp. Thyme is often used in deep cleansing shampoos, helps ease dandruff, and stimulates hair follicles to help with hair loss. Lemon balm is a mild astringent, makes a very good rinse for those with oily hair. The toning properties of lemon balm help balance and refresh hair and scalp. Lavender has anti-inflammatory, antibacterial, antifungal, and antiseptic properties that help with hair loss, shedding, and inflammatory scalp conditions. Its ability to balance oil production makes it a great hair care herb for all hair types, especially oily hair. These hair rinses will store in the refrigerator for 2 to 3 weeks, so only make enough for you to use up within this time period. Thank you for watching. Good day and good health.